Hey everybody, this is Dr. John, and I wanted to talk to you about a very touchy subject. Erectile dysfunction in men is very stressful. It causes a lot of emotional concern and stress in men. And you want to know it, so many men are afraid to talk about it, yet it is something that is out there. And every day that passes as you age, your risk of having a problem when it comes to sexual intimacy gets greater and greater and greater. In fact, almost every single man over the age of 50 will have at least one episode that gets worse and worse and worse over time. It's something that I see a lot and I hear a lot about in my office because this office is dedicated directly to hormones and sexual function. So when we get down to it and we find out about these sexual function disorders and things that are challenging men with their intimacy, we have a lot of things that we can do. And among them is this amazing substance called TriMix. TriMix is a compound of three, that is three, vasoactive substances which can produce an immediate, sustained, very durable, and firm erection. It's quite amazing when you get down to it. All it takes is one application of the treatment, and you can take a man that usually sits on the sidelines or has frustration or really just is no longer in the game and really turn things around. I remember a guy I treated a couple of years ago, and when we did the first induction with him, he looked down and had an erection that he hadn't had in over 5 years. And you know what? He started to cry. It revolutionized and completely changed his ability to have intimacy. TriMix is an amazing substance that can really change your intimate life. It can make you more active, it can make you more secure, and it really gives you that opportunity to enjoy your sexual partners in a way that you thought you had gone a long time ago. So if it's something that you're interested in and you really want to understand a little bit more, we know how to use TriMix, we know how to prescribe it here in the office, and it really is something that can be life-changing for guys that are struggling and are well beyond the things like nitric oxide and PDE5 inhibitors like Viagra and Cialis. So if you're struggling in the bedroom and need some help, TriMix may be the way to go.